This is Mahua Moitra. I'm a Member of Parliament from India and a member of the Parliamentary Standing Committee. I'd just like to bring into focus a few issues that have come to the forefront following the public publication of the Wall Street Journal article about Facebook's activities in India. The head of India's Facebook public affairs practice apparently refused to act upon hate posts made by members of the ruling dispensation in India for fear that it would harm Facebook's commercial interests in India. Now, obviously, this is very distressing, not only for us as members of the Parliamentary Standing Committee and as public representatives, but also for the Indian public who are on Facebook. These hate-filled posts have led to incidents of loss of life, loss of property, looting, arson and communal violence all over India in the last 3 years or even more. And very little has been done to stop this. So the questions are very clear. Did Mark Zuckerberg and the senior management of Facebook know about this? Since they work with government and authorities all over the globe to bring down fake content and to bring down hate posts, what were they doing in India specifically about this issue? And do they condone the activities of Facebook, India's public affairs head, in not acting upon this very serious red flag as far back as in 2018? The second thing is this: ex-employees of Facebook have reached out to us informally and informed us that in fact these were raised in Q&A sessions within Facebook internally as far back as 2018, but nothing much was done about this. So why does Facebook follow two different standards within the US and outside when it comes to situations like this? Do Facebook shareholders condone the company's behavior, which is violating both US law, Indian law, and completely goes against every standard operating protocol that the company follows in the US when it comes to India? I think that Facebook has a lot to be accountable for, not just to the Parliamentary Standing Committee, but to the public of India. And the sooner these answers come, I think the better it will be. Thank you.